I'm Safine Hussain and I'm a student at St Aidan's College studying music. I looked at other music departments and none of them quite match Durham. I know that Durham is renowned for its music department and its high standard, and I just thought this would be a good fit for me as I'm quite interested in loads of different things within the musical world. Because I'm a pianist, the opportunity to come to Steinway and Sons in Hamburg was something I couldn't turn down. In my school, I was fortunate enough to actually play a Steinway that we had there. It felt so different to anything else I'd played before, and I just knew I had to be here to help choose 11 new grand pianos for the university. One thing that really stood out to me in the tour was the soundboard. I just thought it was absolutely fascinating because when I was younger I used to take my piano apart and sort of try and look inside and see what was happening. And so seeing that up close and actually knowing what went into it was really fascinating. I have a lot of friends that are really passionate about music, even though they're not studying it necessarily. They like to form little groups or just practice on their own in college practice rooms. And I know that having 57 pianos coming into the university would really make them feel comfortable in just experiencing music at Durham that bit more.
I actually studied music at Durham University about a decade ago. Seeing the transformation of my student experience in the music department, which was fantastic, to now what these students will be receiving, and to be part of the process is a real honour and a privilege. Durham is quite unique. The spread of musical activity is far greater than just the music department. We thought actually for this to have an impact, we wanted one in every single college. We spoke to Steinway about the Steinway School programme, and the impact that it could have across the board was huge.
You always want to try and give the students the best equipment that you can possibly get. Durham University, music making there isn't just limited to the music department, but actually it is massive throughout the whole university. It is now going to be an absolutely university-wide, so it's not just the music department, but most of the colleges will get new instruments as well, which I think will be fantastic for the whole of the university.
Have you now made your choice about the piano for your college?
Yeah, definitely. This is the one. The space is quite big, but it's also carpeted, so we needed an instrument that could sing through that muffle and yet still be really approachable for the students to play on. Yeah, it's a delicious instrument to play. It's really nice.
Well, in that
This
case,
is the one.
I think we're probably ready to put the selection certificate on. Perhaps you would like to. To put the certificate on the piano, and this is now the piano for your college. Congratulations.